Hey travelers, it's been a long time since I did a video on what's really in my travel bag. So today, let's get into it. See, when I travel, I pick up the smaller versions of whatever products I like. I do not like to make this bag really bulky. Let's get into it. I know this bottle looks already squeezed because I've used it completely. This is the Innisfree Pore Cleansing Foam EX. I've been using it on daily basis at home, but in travel also I carry this. Next up is again a smaller version of my favorite cream, Jeju Orchid Enriched Cream from Innisfree again. In winters, it works really well. Coming to sunscreens, you can never go wrong with this one. This is my favorite sunblock. It's 50 plus and it's PA+++++. Matte finish, so I really like this. I think that I'm kind of promoting Innisfree, but Innisfree is actually having really good products. Clay mask by Innisfree again. Honestly, I try to apply this after I have used this foam. Next one is the face wash. I'm very happy with. It's the Neutrogena. I just need a face wash that just cleans my face in one go. It does the job, so I'm good. So if you're going for a summer's kind of a cream, this should work for it. It's the Clinique Moisture Surge. Got a tiny bottle because I need to carry my cream anywhere I go. The perfumes by Zara, a really good job in making these pencil perfumes. What I have here is the Ebony Wood. You can really go with a very small bottle. This by Hugo Boss. It's very tiny, very small. Still do recommend this, but you can also go with this. The next thing that I have is when I have really important functions to attend. The Lancome Concentrate for the face. So it really works well. It makes your skin very dewy. When I travel, it's more like carrying maybe 2-3 lipsticks, and I've just found a very good solution. I really explored Kiro. They have come up with this 4-in-1 lipstick tube. This definitely has all the colors that I always want for me. So definitely something that you can also try. But there is one more product, which something that I would use even more than a lipstick. It's the Rene Piet stick. Not a lipstick, it's just a black Piet stick, which basically takes the color of your lips, just makes it more better, but definitely gives a very good tint. I'm applying it right now, by the way. This kind of helped you guys to figure out your products that it just fits into this little pouch also. So hope you like this video. Share it with your travel girls. Cheers and keep unpacking journeys.